Did you know that over 500 hours of video content is uploaded to YouTube every single minute? With that sheer volume, how do creators stand out and manage their channels efficiently? Welcome, keen YouTubers and curious viewers, to a guide that might just revolutionize the way you approach content creation. Today, we're diving deep into these 7 top-secret YouTube automation strategies you absolutely must know. These aren't just tips, they're game changers. Stick around and uncover strategies that not only simplify your workflow, but can also catapult your content to new heights. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Strategy 1. Scheduled publishing. Schedule to shine. The beauty of YouTube's platform is the ability to produce content at your own pace, yet ensure it reaches your audience precisely when they expect it. Scheduled publishing allows creators to upload their videos in advance and set them to go live at a specific date and time. This is invaluable for maintaining consistency, a key factor in retaining and growing an audience. If you're a creator who juggles between multiple roles, or perhaps lives in a different time zone than the majority of your viewers, this tool can be a game changer. Another underrated advantage of scheduled publishing is strategic timing. By analyzing your YouTube analytics, you can determine when most of your audience is active. Thus, instead of releasing a video in the early hours of the morning or late at night, you can ensure your video debuts during peak activity hours. This boosts initial views and engagements, signaling to YouTube that your content is valuable, which can then push it to more users. Lastly, by using scheduled publishing, you can better manage your content calendar. Plan weeks or even months ahead, giving you a clear roadmap of your content strategy. This also allows you to be prepared for holidays, special events, or trending topics. A well-thought-out schedule means a consistent stream of content for your videos and less last-minute stress for you. Strategy 2. Video optimization tools. Optimize for optimal views. With a vast ocean of content available on YouTube, standing out becomes a challenge. This is where video optimization tools come into play. These tools, whether they're built into YouTube or third-party applications, assist in ensuring your video reaches the widest possible audience. They help with keyword research, suggesting tags, and optimizing your video title, description, and thumbnails. This isn't just about SEO, it's about making your content discoverable. One cannot stress enough the importance of accurate and engaging video metadata. An attention-grabbing title paired with a compelling thumbnail can significantly increase click-through rates. However, it shouldn't stop there. Your video description is not just a summary of your content, but also a space to insert relevant keywords and links. Video optimization tools often provide insights on what keywords are trending and how competitive they are, giving your content a strategic edge. Furthermore, while YouTube provides its own analytics, third-party optimization tools can offer deeper insights, such as competitor analysis, viewer sentiment, and more detailed demographic breakdowns. Armed with this information, you can tailor your content to cater more directly to your target audience's preferences, enhancing viewer retention and overall engagement. Strategy 3. Batch processing. More is more. Efficiency is the name of the game, especially in the world of content creation. Batch processing refers to the practice of filming, editing, and preparing multiple videos in a single session. It's a time saver, allowing creators to focus on content creation without constantly switching gears. Imagine setting a day aside for filming several videos, then another for editing, and so forth. By compartmentalizing your tasks, you streamline the entire content creation process. The benefits of batch processing go beyond just time management. It also ensures consistency in your content. If you're filming a series or videos related to a specific theme, filming them together can maintain a consistent look and feel. This consistency can be in terms of lighting, audio quality, or even your own energy and enthusiasm levels. Regular viewers appreciate such consistency, as it enhances the viewing experience. There's also the advantage of being ahead of your publishing schedule. Having multiple videos ready to go means you're prepared for unexpected situations, whether it's technical glitches, personal emergencies, or simply days when you're not feeling up to creating content. With batch processing, you have a buffer, ensuring your viewers receive regular content without interruption. Strategy 4. Automated comment moderation. Clean comments, clean community. YouTube is a social platform at its core, and community engagement is crucial. But as your channel grows, so does the potential for spam and inappropriate comments. Automated comment moderation allows creators to set specific filters to manage comments. This tool isn't just about cleaning up negativity, it's about fostering a healthy space for your community to interact, share, and grow. The more engaged your community is, the better it is for your channel's growth. Comments, replies, and interactions boost your video's engagement metrics, signaling YouTube's algorithm to promote it further. But a comment section filled with spam, self-promotion, or harmful content can deter genuine users from participating. By using automated filters, you can ensure that any potentially harmful content is held for review or even automatically hidden. Remember, a positive community builds loyalty. When your viewers feel that they're in a safe and welcoming space, they're more likely to return, interact, and even promote your content. Embracing automation and comment moderation ensures that the quality of conversation on your channel remains high, fostering a better relationship between you and your subscribers. Strategy 5. Channel Analytics Automation. Data at your fingertips. The world of YouTube isn't just about creating and uploading videos, it's also about understanding the data behind each upload. Channel analytics tools can provide automated reports and insights into your video's performance. These insights include viewer demographics, engagement rates, and traffic sources. By automating this process, you're constantly updated on how your content performs and where improvements can be made. Knowledge is power, and with automated analytics, that power is consistently at your disposal. By setting up regular reports, you can see patterns in your content's performance, helping you decide what type of content to produce next. It also allows for A/B testing, wherein you can experiment with different video formats, titles, or thumbnails, and quickly understand what resonates most with your audience. Moreover, automated analytics can alert you to sudden changes in your channel's performance. A sudden spike in views or subscribers can indicate that one of your videos has gone viral or has been shared on a significant platform. Conversely, a sudden drop might indicate technical issues or other problems that need immediate attention. By staying on top of these metrics, you can quickly pivot your strategy or address issues. Strategy 6. Automated playlists. Streamlining your viewer journey. Automated playlists are an underrated gem in a creator's toolkit. While manual playlists allow creators to curate specific content sequences, automated playlists can dynamically group videos based on criteria like tags, keywords, or even popularity. This automation ensures that viewers are continually presented with content that aligns with their interests, leading to higher watch times. Think of automated playlists as a personal assistant that's always curating the best viewer experience for your audience. For example, if a viewer finds your channel through a video on baking cakes, an automated playlist can then guide them through all your cake-related videos. This not only boosts watch time, but also exposes viewers to a wider range of your content. Additionally, automated playlists can adjust in real time. As new videos are uploaded that match the criteria, they're automatically added to the playlist. This dynamic nature ensures that your content is always presented in the most relevant and engaging manner, without the need for constant manual adjustments. Strategy 7. Auto-generated captions. Breaking the language barrier. With a global audience at its fingertips, YouTube offers a unique challenge and opportunity: language. While you might produce content in one language, there's a vast audience that might benefit from it in another. Enter auto-generated captions. YouTube's algorithm can automatically create captions for your videos, breaking down the language barrier and making your content accessible to a broader audience. It's not just about reaching non-native speakers. Auto-generated captions also assist viewers who might be hearing impaired. By ensuring your content is accessible, you not only expand your audience, but also create an inclusive community. It's worth noting, however, that while YouTube's auto-captioning is impressive, it's not always perfect. Creators should always review and edit these captions when necessary. Additionally, with auto captions in place, it becomes easier to create translations. Your community can assist in translating captions, or you can use translation tools. This means that your content can be genuinely global, with the potential to engage audiences from different cultures and backgrounds. And there we have it, 7 automation strategies to supercharge your YouTube journey. If you found this as fun as we did, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite strategy. Keep innovating, keep automating, and until next time, keep those play buttons rolling. Cheers!